The newly launched app Threads is creating a lot of buzz already. It has reached the milestone of 100 million users within a week of its launch. Let's find out more about it in this video. Threads, which has been launched by Meta, allows users to post text updates and join public conversations. As per Meta, posts can be up to 500 characters long and can include links, photos, and videos of up to 5 minutes. It is available to both Android and iOS users. It's easy to get started with Threads if you have an Instagram account. Just log in using the same account and password. You can also import details such as your profile picture, name, bio, etc. from the Instagram account. While many are talking about Threads' similarity to Twitter in terms of their format, here are the differences between the two. Threads has a limit of 500 characters per post, while Twitter's limit is 280. Threads allows users to post 5 minutes videos, while Twitter allows unverified users to post videos up to 2 minutes 20 seconds. You can't send direct messages with Threads, but can send DMs on Twitter. Twitter's homepage displays what's trending and topics of interest, but for Threads, you need to scroll through the default feed to explore more. Due to its integration with Instagram, deleting your Threads account will also delete your Instagram account. According to Instagram head Adam Mosseri, Meta is working on a way to let users delete a Threads account separately. Till then, users can only deactivate it, which will hide their profile and content on the platform. What do you think of the newly launched app? Tell us in the comments and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.